Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube application. If you will find this guide useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now open up your YouTube application and you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, right there. Then you will be redirected to your own profile. And you want to click that gear icon at the top right corner, right there. Now we want to click on General. And you will see there that where is App Language. After that, you can see Restricted Mode. So this basically helps to hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100 accurate. The setting only applies to this app on this device. And you just want to go ahead and turn this off. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.